to nog your holidays right, a realtor's guide to eggnog bliss. Ah, eggnog, the velvety elixir that whispers, "Relax, it's the holidays." This creamy concoction pairs perfectly with twinkling lights, roaring fireplaces, and dreams of the perfect home. A dream I can help you realize. But first, let's whip up some festive cheer in a glass. The classic eggnog, holiday eggnog. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, preferably from happy chickens, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, half a cup of bourbon, rum, or brandy, or all 3 if you're feeling merry, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon ground nutmeg, plus more for garnish. Directions: separate the egg yolks and whites, setting the whites aside for later. In a large bowl, whisk the yolks and sugar until pale and creamy. Slowly add the milk, heavy cream, and booze of choice. Stir in vanilla extract and nutmeg and chill the mixture for at least an hour to let the flavors mingle like holiday party guest. Beat the egg whites to soft peaks and fold them into the chilled mixture for a frothy, dreamy texture. Pour into festive glasses, sprinkle with nutmeg, and serve with a wink that says, "I've got the best realtor on speed dial." Naughty Nog for dairy-free elves. Ingredients: 3 cups unsweetened almond or oat milk, 1 cup canned coconut milk, half a cup maple syrup, 1/4 cup spiced rum, optional, but Santa won't mind, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Directions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Chill until icy cold. Serve over ice or gently on the stove for a cozy twist. Garnish with cinnamon sticks and tell your guests that with me as the realtor, they'll soon be hosting in their dream kitchen. The Mocktail Mansion Eggnog. Ingredients: 2 cups milk of choice, half cup heavy cream or coconut cream, 1/4 cup sugar or honey, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon, and directions: heat all ingredients gently on the stove until steamy but not boiling. Pour into mugs, sprinkle with extra cinnamon, and toast to new beginnings. Don't forget to tell everyone that you know the realtor to call when they're ready to upgrade their eggnog drinking spot. A realtor's cheers. Whether you're sipping eggnog in a cozy condo or sprawling in your dream home, remember that I'm here to help your holidays and your home search bright. Let's find you the perfect house to hang those stockings and sip that nog. Cheers to your next adventure.